Mother Teresa, that hurt. And dust on the camera. Our producers are gonna kill us. Oh! Oh! That is hardcore.
Holy crap!
I'm gonna put that on a t-shirt.
Take my coin next to yourself.
That just scared the dick out of me.
Working so hard like a soldier.
Back with the pygmies. We're gonna be so effed in the air on this jump that we're gonna have to put a sensor bar. What do you think, T-Dizzle?
Yeah.
That's one way to do it. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut it. Got that? Oh, God, ball sack. What about God's ball sack? Oh, I don't know, but it was big and I'm holding on. I'm gonna have to put this on my wrist because it's gonna flip off and then
Oh God.
corn's never gonna grow back here. We don't give up. Got back.
Oh, you bet it.
I feel like the Dukes of Hazzard.
You got to. Yeah.
Only I'm not.
Oh God.
I'm fine, man.
Yeah.
Who needs a roller coaster?
Yeah, all you need is a field and a Jeep. That's go.
Yeah.
I'm not. Look, Ma. No hands.
No,
Oh God. We need a cameraman.
Oh.
Oh, dick.
In the A.
Unnecessary.
Okay, we're back. And probably going around 40, 50 miles an hour.
I can't tell. All I know is these pygmies are fucking nuts. In the good way. Look, Ma.
Mother nance.
Oh, God, tits.
Oh, not
God's tits.
Oh,
God's bitch. I thought he was a guy.
wait, no! Oh, God damn. Hold on, you don't have a seat now.
Did we go through the mud
Oh,
again?
ain't it? And then I can't blame all on the sun. Oh, no, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue.